The relationship between humans and dogs is characterized by deep emotional connections, trust, and companionship. As dogs age or face life-threatening illnesses, questions arise about their understanding of their own mortality. Do dogs possess the cognitive abilities to comprehend their impending death? Can they sense their own decline? This video delves into the complex topic of whether dogs understand when they are dying. By examining scientific research, anecdotal evidence, and the observable behaviors of dogs facing the end of life, we can gain insights into the emotional and cognitive capacities of these beloved animals. Canine perception of physical changes. Dogs have an acute ability to sense changes in their own bodies. They may exhibit signs of pain, discomfort, or illness as they approach the end of their lives. For example, they may show decreased appetite, weight loss, lethargy, or changes in mobility. While dogs may not fully comprehend the underlying causes of these physical changes, they can experience them and react accordingly. The observable behavioral cues suggest that dogs are aware of their deteriorating health and may experience discomfort associated with their impending death. Emotional awareness and bond with humans. Dogs are highly perceptive creatures with a remarkable ability to understand human emotions and form deep bonds with their human companions. As they approach the end of their lives, dogs may exhibit behavioral changes that reflect their emotional state. They may seek increased attention and physical contact, display signs of anxiety or restlessness, or become more withdrawn. These changes can be interpreted as signs of emotional distress or an understanding of their own mortality. Furthermore, dogs often mirror the emotions and reactions of their human family members, indicating that they are sensitive to the emotional atmosphere surrounding their impending death. Recognition of loss and changes in the pack. Dogs are pack animals with a strong sense of social structure. Within their pack, they form close bonds and establish hierarchies. When a pack member dies, whether it is another dog or a human family member, dogs can exhibit signs of grief and loss. They may display behaviors such as searching for the deceased individual, becoming more clingy or anxious, or showing a decreased interest in activities they previously enjoyed. These responses suggest that dogs can recognize the absence of a pack member and experience emotions related to the loss. When facing their own impending death, dogs may similarly exhibit signs of recognizing the changes within their pack, further supporting the idea that they possess a level of understanding regarding their own mortality. Limited cognitive abilities and lack of conceptualization. While dogs possess impressive cognitive abilities and emotional intelligence, their understanding of complex concepts such as death remains a subject of debate. Dogs do not possess the same level of cognitive reasoning or language capabilities as humans. They live in the present moment and may not have the capacity to conceptualize their own mortality or understand the finality of death. Dogs may simply respond to their physical and emotional experiences without comprehending the broader implications. It is crucial to acknowledge the limitations of their cognitive abilities when exploring their understanding of death. Conclusion. The question of whether dogs understand when they are dying is a challenging one to answer definitively. While scientific research provides insights into the behavioral and emotional responses of dogs approaching the end of life, the exact nature of their understanding remains elusive. Dogs can perceive changes in their physical condition, display emotional awareness, and exhibit signs of grief and loss when facing the death of a companion. However, their cognitive abilities and lack of conceptualization may limit their understanding of death as a complex concept. As dog owners, it is important to provide comfort, support, and appropriate veterinary care during this stage of a dog's life, regardless of their level of understanding. Creating a calm and nurturing environment, offering physical comfort, and maintaining a consistent routine can help alleviate any distress or anxiety the dog may experience during this time. Furthermore, the emotional bond between dogs and their human companions plays a significant role in how dogs perceive and respond to their own mortality. Dogs are keen observers of human behavior and emotions, often mirroring their owners' reactions. When faced with the imminent end of their lives, dogs may pick up on the sadness, grief, or acceptance exhibited by their human family members. This emotional connection can provide comfort and reassurance to the dog, fostering a sense of security and peace during their final moments. It is worth noting that each dog is unique, and their responses to their own mortality can vary. Factors such as breed, temperament, individual experiences, and the nature of their illness or decline can influence their behavior and level of understanding. Some dogs may display more obvious signs of awareness, while others may appear more accepting or indifferent. In the absence of direct communication, we can never fully grasp the depth of a dog's comprehension. However, by observing their behaviors, responding to their needs with compassion and care, and providing them with a loving and supportive environment, we can ensure that they feel safe and loved during this challenging time. Ultimately, the question of whether dogs understand when they are dying may remain unanswered. But what is certain is that dogs, like all living beings, deserve our empathy, understanding, and commitment to their well-being. By offering them comfort, companionship, and the best possible end-of-life care, we can honor the special bond we share with these remarkable animals and provide them with the dignity and respect they deserve throughout their entire lives. If you liked this video, please click the subscribe button below.